Welcome عنيزة Private Schools students. Hello my students. With you Miss مروة بكري. أهلا بطالباتي طالبات مدارس عنيزة الأهلية. أهلا بحبيباتي طالبات grade 5. Welcome again with a new English lesson, the past simple tense. Okay, the past simple tense. Past simple tense. We use the past simple tense. Okay, usage of the past simple tense. It is used to talk about facts that took place in a specific moment in the past. Okay, we use it to talk about facts that took place. Took place means happen. Took place in a specific moment in the past. Time expressions. Time expressions here means keywords. Okay. Time expressions of the past simple tense like in plus in year. Okay, we can say in 1992 or in 1973. Okay, 30 years ago. Ago here is time expressions or keywords also. Yesterday, last summer, okay, when I was at school. Also now we will know how to make affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and also yes and no question and WH question, okay? Here, simple past tense, okay, regular verbs. Okay, regular verbs here means أفعال منتظمة. Now, we will know how to change the verb from present to past, okay? Now, we are talking about regular verbs. We add only ed to the verb to change it from present to past, okay? To change the verb from present to past, only add ed to the verb. Look at here, for example, walk. Walk here is the first form of the verb. Walk here, the verb in infinitive, in present. If I want to change it into the past, only add ed to the verb walk. Okay, look at here. Walk, walked. Okay, play, played. Also here, we only add ed to the verb play to change it from present to past. Okay, but if the verb ending in e, okay, if the verb ending in e, we add d only. Okay, look at this verb like here ending in e. So we will add d only. D here in red, okay, we will add d only. Why? Because this verb ending in e, okay, we add d only. Also like verb move. Move here ending in e. So if I want to change it from present to past, we only add d to the verb. Okay, move, move. Number 3, my students, verbs ending in a consonant plus y. What is the meaning of consonant? Okay, we have in English vowel letters and consonant letters. Vowel letters like what? What? Excellent. A, I, O, U, E. Okay? But consonant letter means all the letters from A to Z except these 5 letters. Okay? If the verb here ending in consonant plus Y. Look here at this verb. Carry, carry. Okay? Look here. This verb ending with what? Letter R here is consonant or vowel? Excellent, consonant. And after R here, we use letter Y. This means that this verb ending with consonant, letter, and Y. Consonant, letter plus Y. If I have a verb, okay, ending in a consonant letter plus y, we only delete y and add IED, okay, to change it from present to past. Look at here, okay, here we delete y and add IED, okay. Again here, my students, we delete y and add IED, okay. Study, verb study, again. Letter D here is a consonant or vowel? Excellent. Is a consonant letter, okay? Also, after D, we use letter Y. This verb ending in consonant plus Y, study, studied, okay? In the past, we here delete Y and add IED, okay? Look at here, some verbs ending in, okay? Look at this verb, plan. Okay, this verb ending with vowel, okay, plus consonant. Okay, if the verb ending with vowel plus consonant, we only double the last letter and add ed. Okay, look at this verb. Okay, here ending with a, okay, as a vowel letter. A here is a vowel letter, and letter in here is a consonant letter. This means that this verb ending in vowel letter plus consonant letter. We will here double the last letter. What is the last letter here? Letter N, okay? So we will double the last letter, add another N here. Look at this verb. Here we add another N before adding ED. Okay, we double the last letter, write it again, write the last letter again, okay, plus ed. Also here verb stop. Verb stop here ending with O as a vowel letter and B as a consonant letter, okay? So if I want to change this verb from present to past, only add another B here, double the last letter. Okay, what is the last letter here? Letter P, okay? So we will double it again. Double it means write it again, okay? Double the last letter means write this letter again. And add ED, okay? Please, my students, watch this video, okay? Listen carefully.
To his friends, Ed is just a normal, everyday kind of letter. Hi there, Ed. Hello, my friend. Hi there, Ed. Hello, my friend. Hi there, Ed. Hello, my friend. But what they don't know is that Ed is a time traveler. All that Ed needs to travel into the past is a word. But not just any word. It has to be a word that does something. You see, only a word that does an action can be used by Ed to travel back in time. These words are called verbs. Here is a word that is a verb. Happen. I wonder what's going to happen now. Happened. It has happened. Ed jumped onto the end, and the verb changed. The word has traveled into the past. Here are more words that are verbs. Ed will send them into the past. Look. Looked. Play. Played. Want. Wanted. Work. Worked. Ed worked hard today. Or was it yesterday? If you need to send a verb into the past, remember to use ed. Ed.
Okay, my students. Now, we will know how to make affirmative and negative sentence, okay? We learn together how to change the verb from present to past, okay? Only add ed to the verb, ed or d or ied. Now, we'll know how to make affirmative and negative sentence, okay? In the past simple tense. Affirmative here, affirmative sentence, like I walked. Okay, I walked. Look here, if I want to make it negative, I did not walk. Okay, this is the long form. I did not walk. Okay, did not walk. If I want to make short form, negative short form, okay, we can say I didn't walk. Again, I didn't walk. Look also at this example. You walked. If I want to change it from affirmative to negative, okay, we use did not. Okay, you did not walk. This is the long form. Did not walk. If I want to make it short form, you didn't walk. Okay, also, he walked. He didn't walk. Take care here, my students. In affirmative sentence, we use the verb here in the past. We add here ed, okay? But in the negative sentence, okay, we use didn't or did not plus infinitive. Look here at verb walk without ed, okay? Why? Because after don't, okay, because after did not, okay, did not or didn't, we must use the verb in infinitive. After did not here, my students, I must use the verb at the first form, okay? At the first form means verb in infinitive. After did not, we must use the verb in infinitive. Now, my students, okay, we will know how to make yes and no question in the past simple tense. Yes and no question in the past simple tense consists of auxiliary verb, okay, auxiliary verb did, plus subject. This subject may be singular noun or plural noun, okay, or singular noun or plural pronoun, okay. Subjects like I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, okay? Or any singular or plural noun. Plus verb in infinitive. Look at this example. Did I study? Okay. Did I study? Or did you walk? Did he come? Did she play? Okay. All of these questions, we call them yes and no question because the answer is beginning with yes and no. If I'm asking you, did you walk? Okay, you can say, yes, I did. Okay, or no, I didn't. If I asked her, did, okay, did she play? Did she play? Okay, the answer will be yes, she did. Yes, she did, or no, no, she didn't. Okay. Now, my students, we will know how to make WH question. What is the meaning of WH question? WH question is a question which beginning with WH word. Okay. What is the meaning of WH word? WH word, my students, like what, where, when, how. Okay, all of these Okay, all of these words we call them WH words. Okay, WH question is the question which beginning with WH word. Look here, my students. This question consists of WH word like what, where, when, how. Okay, plus auxiliary verb here must be auxiliary verb here did. Okay, here the auxiliary verb must be did because here we make WH question in the past simple tense. Okay, plus subject like you, he, she, it. Okay, we, they, or also any plural noun or singular noun. Plus verb in infinitive. Okay, plus here yesterday here and last week. Okay, time expressions. Okay, we say before they are time expressions or keywords. Look here, my students. Verb do and study. We use it in present, okay, or in infinitive. Why here, my students, we use this verb in present or infinitive? Excellent, because here we use did. Okay, if we use did here as auxiliary verb, okay, we must also use the verb here in infinitive. Again, if I use did here as an auxiliary verb, okay, in the question, we must here use the verb in infinitive. My students, I hope you understand this lesson. Thanks for watching and goodbye.